Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell another Python string handling function that is alpha. It checks and validates inside the text there is only alphabets or not. If there is alphabets, it will return you alpha as a true. If there is a non-alphabets or with alphabets with numeric or non-numeric characters, it returns you false. It only validate and return you on the boolean data true or false. Fine. Now let's check how it is possible. There is a Lingaraj Tech Hub. Now I am going to print text dot is alpha. Fine, is alpha, and when it is going to be run it, and it returns you true. Yes, it returns you true. When it is added the numeric, it returns you false. And when it is going to be any numerics or non-numeric characters you are going to be added, it returns you false. If you remove these non-numeric characters and only place the within double quote as alphabets, then it returns you true. Fine. Hope so you understand how isalpha is going to be work. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Fine. Please like this video, share with your friends, subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you get the notifications. Thank you.